Welcome back everyone. In this video we are going to talk about number system. As we all know, computer is an electronic device. It does not understand our language. Computer is an electronic device, that means computer works with an electricity. And whatever the instruction we are giving to computer, it is converting it in its own language. That is why computer has its own language. It has its own language called binary language or machine language. Computer has its own language and that language is called binary language or machine language. This language is made up of two digits, that is 0 and 1. That machine language or binary language is made up of two digits, that is 0 and 1. To store any data or to give instruction to the computer, it is required to represent in the form of zeros and 1. Whatever the instruction or data we are saving in our computer, computer converts that data into its own language and save it in its hard disk. Computer converts instruction into digital electronical signal. Whatever the instruction or data we are saving in our computer, computer converts it into its own language and that language is also known as digital or electronical signal. It is important to understand the concept of number system which are used by computer system to process the data as per the user's instruction. It is necessary to understand the reason, the process behind computer, how computer converts our language into its own language. So in this chapter we are going to learn how computer converts every instruction, every data which we are saving in our computer, how it converts it in own language. When we type or enter some information in the computer, we use letters, numbers or words to represent it in the system, but computer uses digits to represent and process the information or data. Again, the same thing, whatever we are giving to the computer, whatever instruction we are giving to the computer to process, it converts it into its own language. So the information which we enter in the first, it converted into a digital form or binary form. Now you can see here a simple example, like we have typed I am happy, right? Now computer will convert these words into its own language. And what is own language? Digital form or binary form. That is 1001 and 001 and so on. So the combination of 0 and 1, it is called binary digit. It is called binary digits. Okay? And the simple, whatever the instruction we are giving to computer, it is a simple instruction or data. Now another example is, like I have written in the computer, good morning. Now computer will convert that good morning into its own language, that is binary digit, the combination of 0 and 1, and it will save that good morning in its memory. Not only with the words and alphabet, computer process the information or data with the arithmetical operations as well. You can see here the example 6 divided by 4 plus 2 minus 1 into 10. Now computer again it will convert these arithmetical operation into its own language, that is binary digits. And this is here whatever the binary digits I have written, that is not exactly how the computer will convert these words into its own form. Okay. The number system which we use in our daily life is called a normal number system. But in computer world, when we use number system, it represent as binary number system, hexa number system or octal number system. So these topics we are going to cover under this chapter, like number system, everything about the number system, how a value represented in one type of number system, and at last we will learn the conversion of these computer number system. Introduction to number system. There are various number system in computer world. Some are decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, hexa number system and so on. So in this chapter we will cover and see the conversion of all these number system. Now the first number system is decimal number system. It is made up of 10 unique digits from 0 to 9. It includes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. The number of unique digits used in a number system is known as base or radix. The number system which has a unique digit. Okay? When we represent any number in a decimal number system, it has a base and that base is also known as radix. In decimal number system has a base 10. If in a number system the base is written 10, that belongs to that particular number belongs to a decimal number system group. The value of each digit in a number is depend upon its position from right to left. This line we will see the practical in the next upcoming minutes. To find the value of digit in a given decimal number, we have to multiply with it. The formula for finding the number, the decimal number system is not only for decimal number system, this formula works for the every number system which comes under a number system. Decimal into a base of number system, that is, and the weight of the number in the power of weight of number. Here it will come a decimal multiply with the base of number. Okay. In the next part we will see the example related to this one. So you just remember this formula, that is digit into base of the number system with the power of weight of a number. We know that the value of digit is equal to digit into base of number system and the power of weight of number. So let's take example. We already know the the value of digit is 256. But if the question arises, you have to find and you have to show how the value of the given digit is 256 raised to the power 10, and how you will do that. So here is the solution. As we know, number is a 256, that is 256. And weight, what is weight? As I told you in few minutes ago, the weight always starts from right to left in an increasing order of the digit. Right? Weight always starts starts from the right to left in an increasing order of digits, numbers. Like 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. If there will be some more digits, the weight of the number will increase. So, number is 2, 5, 6 and weight is 2, 1, 0. It will be start from here, right to left. 0, 1, 2. And as it is a decimal number system, the base will be always 10. Now, the way how we'll find the value of digit, the value of digit is equal to number into base of the number system. As we know, what is the base of the number system? What is the base of the decimal number system? Decimal number has base always 10. Okay, decimal number has always base 10. So, the base digits, the base weight will increase as we will move from right to left. Number into base and this is the weight. These are the weight of base. So 10, 6 into 10 to the power 0, 5 into 10 to the power 1, 2 into 10 to the power 2. Alright. By solving all these multiplication, we will get, we all know that 10 to the power 0, if there is a 10 to the power 0, the answer will come 1. So 6 into 1, 5 into 10. We all know 10 to the power 1 is equal to 10. And 2 into 10 to the power 2. I hope you understood this one, this equation in your mathematics. Okay. So 10 to the power 100. 2 multiply with 100. Now 6 into 1 is 6. 5 into 10 is equal to 50. 2 into 100 is equal to 200. Now sum of all these digits and we will get the value of digit, that is 256. Okay. So this way we can find out the value of any given digit. Now next is binary number system. The binary number system is made up of just two digits, that is 0 and 1. The base or radix of the number system is 2. The base or radix of this number system is 2. All digital computers use binary number system and converts the user's input into the decimal number system and that decimal number system to its binary equivalent. That means all the instruction or data which you are giving to computer, that computer converts it into a binary digits. Okay, and binary digits or binary equivalent. Next is octal number system. As you know that octa is known as 8, right? In this number system, there are 8 unique digits from 0 to 7. These numbers are used to represent any numbers in a number system. 0 to 7, from 0 to 7 are the number to used in the number system for octal number system. The base or the radix for the octal number system is 8. Alright? Or if the base or radix of any number system is 8, that means that belongs from the octal number system. And if the base or the radix of any number is 2, that means that belongs from the binary number system. Now, next is hexadecimal number system. number system has 16 digits including alphabet as well, that is from 0 to 9 and A to F. The base or radix of this number system is 16. Now we will see the conversion from binary digit to decimal number system, and next we will see the conversion from decimal to binary number system. So let's start. Binary digit into decimal. So let's take example. 1010. अब हम सीखेंगे बाइनरी डिजिट को डेसिमल में कैसे कन्वर्ट करते हैं. तो हमें सबसे पहले हमेशा राइट हैंड साइड से 2 की पावर इंक्रीज करते हुए इनटू करना है. 1 0 1 0. सो 2 की पावर 0, 2 की पावर 1, 2 की पावर 2 एंड 2 की पावर 3. और हम इन सबको ऐड कर देंगे. ये इनटू होगा इसके साथ और ऐड होगा इन सब के साथ. सो लेट्स सी, जब हम 2 को 2 की पावर 0 से इनटू करते हैं तो आउटकम विल बी 0 प्लस 2 की पावर 1 इंटू 1 विल बी 2. कभी अगर हम 0 को 2 की पावर 2 से इंटू करते हैं तो इट विल बी 0. 0 के साथ कोई भी डिजिट अगर इंटू करेंगे तो आउटकम विल बी 0. एंड 2 की पावर 3 इंटू 1, सो इट विल बी 2 की पावर 3. नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टेप विल बी 2 की पावर 3 को हम कन्वर्ट करेंगे. ठीक है, 3 टाइम्स इंटू करेंगे. सो इट विल बी 2 2 ज़ 4 and 2 8. It will be 8. Okay, so 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. So this is the conversion of 101. This was the binary digit and the decimal digit of this is 10. Now let's take one more example. This contains 4 numbers. See, 1 2 3 4. This contains 4 digits. Now we'll take another example of 5 digits. 1 2 3 4 5. Let's see, the process will be the same. दोनों में conversion का process same रहेगा, but one number is increased. This is even number and this is odd number. So again we'll do the same process. 1 0 0 1 0. And here we will write again increasing order of 2 की power. 2 power 1, 2 power 1, 2 की power 2, 2 की power 3 and 2 की power 4. This will be multiply and this will be sum. ठीक है, अगेन 0 को अगर किसी चीज़ से डिवाइड इंटू करेंगे तो द आउटकम विल बी 0 2 0 इंटू 2 की पावर 2 0 2 की पावर 3 इंटू 0 0 2 की पावर 4 इंटू 1 इट विल बी 2 की 4. सो 0 विल बी द सेम. 0 को हम कुछ करते नहीं हैं, सिर्फ नीचे लिखते हैं 2 की पावर 4 प्लस 2. नाउ व्हाट विल बी द simplification of 2 की पावर 4? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4 and 4 4s are 16. So 16 plus 2 will be 18. So 10010 is the binary digit और उसका decimal form 18. Okay? So इसमें कुछ rules होते हैं, जैसे हमें हमेशा 2 की पावर इंक्रीज करते रहना है और एक एक स्टेप्स आगे मूव करना है, और हमेशा कन्वर्जन के समय हमें हमेशा राइट हैंड की तरफ मूव करना पड़ता है. ओके, विथ इंक्रीजिंग पावर ऑफ 2. एंड ये अभी हमने सीखा था, ये हमारा 4 डिजिट था, 4 डिजिट बाइनरी नंबर इनटू अ डेसिमल, एंड दिस इज ऑड नंबर.
क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमारे 5 डिजिट थे। तो दोनों में कोई ज़्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं है, प्रोसेस विल बी द सेम। और नाउ लेट्स सी द डिफरेंस, नेक्स्ट कन्वर्जन ऑफ डेसिमल इनटू बाइनरी। नाउ नेक्स्ट इज डेसिमल into binary. So let's take example 75, okay, odd number. So how we will convert decimal into a binary? So very first we will use a factor. इसमें हमें factor आना बहुत ज़रूरी है। 75, तो हमेशा हमें 2 से ही फैक्टर करना है इसमें। We can't take 5, we can't take any other digit, हमेशा 2 ही यूज़ करेंगे। तो 2 3 ज़ा 6, 1 कैरी, तो 2 7 ज़ा 14। तो जब हम 2 को डिवाइड करेंगे, यू कैन सी हियर 2 75, 2 3 ज़ा 6, 1 15, 2 7 ज़ा 14। तो हमारा रिमाइंडर बचता है 1। तो जो बचा हुआ रिमाइंडर होता है वो हमारे यहाँ पे आता है। नाउ नेक्स्ट इज 2 1 ज़ा, okay, 1 carry, 2 8 ज़ा 16, again 1 remainder, and next again 2, it will go by 2, 2 9 ज़ा 18, right, and remainder will be 0, and again we will use 2, 2 4 ज़ा 8, and remainder will be 1. Next 2 2 ज़ा 4, remainder will be 0. And next will be 2 will go by 1 and remainder will be 0. So ये जो सारे हमारे रिमाइंडर हैं ये है हमारे बाइनरी डिजिट ऑफ 75। तो 75 का हमारा बाइनरी डिजिट होगा, हमेशा इसको भी लेंगे, ठीक है, 1 0 0 1 0 1 1, fine. So this is the binary digit of 75, ठीक है। Now let's take another example. ये अभी हमने लिया था odd number, अब हम लेंगे even number. Even number, let's take example of 32. The process will be the same, ठीक है। जब हम डेसिमल को बाइनरी डिजिट में कन्वर्ट करते हैं तो प्रोसेस विल बी द सेम, बस हमें इसमें फैक्टर का अच्छा नॉलेज होना चाहिए। तो इसको अगेन हम फैक्टर करते हैं। 32, 2 1 ज़ा, अगेन विल बी द कैरी, 2 6 ज़ा 12, ओके। तो ये पूरा डिवाइड हो गया, इट विल बी 0, 2 8 ज़ा, ठीक, ये अगेन पूरा डिवाइड हुआ तो 0। नेक्स्ट 2 4 ज़ा, अगेन पूरा डिवाइड हुआ, रिमाइंडर विल बी 0, 2 2 ज़ा, रिमाइंडर 0, एंड 2 1 ज़ा, ओके, रिमाइंडर विल बी 0। सो 32 का जो हमारा बाइनरी डिजिट बनेगा वो क्या बनेगा, 1 0 0 0 0 0, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 4 5, ठीक है। सो दिस विल बी द डेसिमल नंबर, एंड डेसिमल नंबर का जो बाइनरी फॉर्म होगा वो ये।
Now, the last topic of this number system chapter is binary arithmetic. Computer used to process the data after converting it into the binary equivalent. After converting the input, whatever the input we have given, after converting it into its own language, computer doesn't stop. So it process how we can, how whatever the instruction we have given to computer, it more process. The processing of data is carried with the help of various arithmetic operation on a binary number like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. If the given input is a mathematical term, mathematical problem, more further it carried out with the arithmetical operations. So now we will see the examples how the binary addition, binary subtraction and binary multiplication and binary division carried out. As you can see here, I have written the examples. Binary addition. These red pen ones are the rules. Like binary addition, if we are going to add 0 plus 0, you very well know in a binary digits there are two important digits in which computer works, that is also known as binary digits, and that is 0 and 1. So here 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. That means when we are going to do these subtraction, we don't need any extra arithmetical operation. We will just write down the given output in the given place of the answer. Next is 1 plus 1 is equal to 0, or if we are not going to write 0, if we are going to write the 0, we will carry forward 1. Let's see the example. 1 0 0 1. Okay, we are going to add 4 digit number. 1 0 0 1 added with 1 1 1 and 1. Now as I already told you here, 1 plus 1 is equal to 0, and we will carry forward 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, and we will carry forward 1 to the next term. Now we are having 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, right? 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. It is already given in the rule. And 1, and this one is the carry one. You can see here, this one is the carry one. Now again 1 will added with the another one that we have carry forward. 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Again with the second term, the carry forward of second term will be go to the third one. Alright. Now 0 plus 1, and this upper one is a carry forwarded from the second term. Now 0 plus 1, as you can see here again in the rule, 0 plus 1 is 1, and 1 we are already having from the carry forward from second term. This is second one. The upper one is the second term. Now 0, 1 plus 1, 0. Alright. Now let's move to the fourth term. We are having 1 plus 1. We are having 1 plus 1 plus carry forwarded 1 extra 1. Okay. Don't get confused. When you will write down in your notebook, then you will then your all doubts will clear. Do it practical. 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 is 0. But here we are having 1. So that 1 will carry forwarded to, we are having extra 1 from here. 1 extra 1 will come here, carry forwarded to the another term. But nothing is there, so 1 will come here, and the rest of 1 from the fourth term, it is also coming at the last. So this is our final answer. Alright, that is 1 1 0 0 0. Yeah, it is looking some complicated, but when you will do it practically in your notebook with different terms means the arrangement of 0 and 1 and the repetition of these terms, surely you are going to get these topic. Now next is binary subtraction. Now here we are having some large digit like 1 1 1 0 0 1 and subtract with the 1 1 0 1. Now again with the help of the given rules, we have applied all the given rules under the binary subtraction, and we are getting the digits. We are getting the answer 1 0 1 1 0 0. Alright. Now same with the multiplication, we are having the rules for multiplication. We have used these rules and we have multiplied the given number, that is 1 1 0 1 multiply with 1 1. With the help of the given rules, we have multiplied and we got the answer. Now next is binary division. Here we have not any rule, we are not having any rules or criteria for solving the question. So as it is, we are solving in the mathematic operation in a mathematics subject. As we solve the division part, we have to do the same. Like we are having here the answer is known as quotient, and the part of divided one is known as dividend, and the last one is remainder. All right, again I am telling you, we are having some rules for the binary addition, binary subtraction and binary multiplication, but in terms of division we are not having any rules, any criteria. We have to solve as it is we do in mathematics subject. So that's all for today. We will see in the next lecture with a new topic. Take care.